All right, so this might not seem important, but as you go into your last game or this game, for your next game, you're really going to need to know how to have the game over and to understand how that's going to work because you're going to need this trigger for your next game. So we are going to, in our detect collision, on that trigger, on this detect collision, actually, we're going to go into our destroy out of bounds. Our destroy out of bounds. We're going to say if for some reason it gets to this lower bottom, if it gets to the bottom, when it destroys the object, we're also going to tell it that to do the game over. Now, this is kind of like, I'm not sure how we would actually, I would have something else to say the game's over because the first person that goes out of bounds, the game's over. We're not really going to end the game, but this is just a way for you to show that you can say the game's over. So we're going to say in our debug log, just so you see that it shows up, we're going to say game over. So if for some reason the first animal that reaches the end of the bottom of the game, you're going to say game over. Game over. Okay, so that's going to be there. So that's going to show up in your debug log. So this is a good way for you to be able to say, hey, I can trigger a game over. Now, this isn't really triggering a game over, to be honest, but this is just a way for you to show something in the debug log. This is also a way for you to be able to just to show that you can use the debug log, right? So you know that you can actually trigger something. And it's kind of a way of showing something simple in there. But that's just something that I want you to be able to show that you know that you can get this and you know where it's at. And also where the debug log is and how to clear it. So let's go and try this as our last thing. This is our very last game. I did not save it. There we go. So let's see. In our game here, also too, maximize on play. Maximize on play is right there. When you click that and you hit play, you then will see your game in whole. And of course, two animals went right by me just there. So the game is over. And if you see that in my lower left-hand corner, and my animal just walked right over the top of the food. So my moose is still having a hard time. Oh my goodness, these guys are fast. So I might need to slow down my dog. He's super fast. I can't reach him. Eventually, oh, that dog is way too fast. So again, in my game, I might actually want to like go back and change the speed of the dog because he's way too fast for me. So I can go in here and change the speed of the dog, make him a little bit slower. You see the game over showed up down here in this corner down here, and that is our game. There is the challenge that you can do for extra credit in my class. In some people's classes, it might be required. And that's up to you and how you're going to do it. I'm not going to show you. Have a good day.